Alright, guys, I promised you some unboxing. So today I have actually a very cool stuff to unpack, which has just arrived in a package. So let's get it open. This is from AliExpress, and I always wanted to have the Nixie clock, which obviously the original one is very expensive. This is like a fake Nixie clock, and well, obviously, this what you have here are LED bulbs, not the original Nixie bulbs, but well, in fact, they look very much similar. So let's get it unpacked. Let's get it open, guys, and I hope you will enjoy it. You can set the different clocks and different scenarios in there. So, guys, let's get it open. Nice. It's packed really well in foam. Okay, there we are. This is the platform, the electronic platform for installing the things. And here we are. So this is the charging cable or the power supply. I'm gonna remove these items from here. Okay. These are the LEDs. And these probably will be the bulbs. Yep. Okay, so let's get it done, guys. Installing is straightforward, in fact. I guess that one will be the spare. Now let's use the bulbs. to make it look like a Nixie. Clock. It looks really cool. So the real Nixie clocks, which are electronic, and obviously the bulbs are very expensive, so you can buy sets, but they are way more expensive than this. This was something like $25, and it's really easy to install. It looks really good. Alright, so this should be ready. Let's try and get it set. I have a cable here for the power supply. Perfect. So glad you were with me while unpacking this great, beautiful clock at a fraction of the price of a real Nixie clock.